West-MEC is a public school district. We encompass about 3,800 square miles of the western Maricopa County. All of the high schools within that area, including charter schools and homeschool students, are eligible to come to West-MEC for career technical education.
We do a lot of certifications in our program. We work with Universal Robots. We earn certifications through them as well. We also work with NC3, so they learn those technician skills to earn certifications through our National Coalition of certifications. We learn all these skills so that way they can take it into industry, being future operators, future technicians working on automated lines, working in more industrial side, like our manufacturers that are using these programs and that are moving towards more smart automation.
So we just actually had an impact report done, and I think it was to the tune of about $100 to $140 million of economic impact that our students have had in the West Valley. Our students are able to get industry experience and be trusted to move into our business partners because of the equipment that we put them in front of.
The Festo product here allows us to go in and modularize the teachings. They have the content, the material, and it's whether a student is a hands-on person or a student has to have the little handouts, we have all options for them.
The classroom climate is a very important component. We want students to be comfortable because if they're comfortable, they really learn well, but we also want to make sure the environment supports that type of learning. As far as the furniture layout, this room really represents one of our main missions, and that is to get them to work in groups, to get them to work in teams. So it really promotes that collaboration.
Our mission statement in my department is to provide clean, safe, comfortable environments for our staff and students. You know, not just from HVAC and lighting and things like that, but as we've talked regarding furniture, it's an important piece of what we do, especially in the CTE environment, because of wear and tear is a little different than typical K-12. Those types of environments require special kinds of furniture. The Meteor-ATC relationship, it's definitely helpful to have a one-stop shop.
They offer a lot of, I guess, just side venue tertiary efforts that I don't experience in a lot of vendors, meaning when I needed to train or get my teachers certified on something, I contacted the representative and helped me connect them with trainers or make sure that my instructional staff was up to date on things that they need. When we needed an inventory of things, I cross-referenced my inventory versus they were willing to come out and provide us a special inventory.
The quality that was brought in and the timing and the excellence and the service has beyond. I have had no issues with any of the equipment, any of the furniture, and we continue to partner, and I appreciate the Meteor and ATC's partnership.
A student who can have the skill set is going to have a good career. A student who can speak to the skill set is going to have an amazing career.
The students have been excited. Students getting in, especially getting into labs, getting their hands dirty and doing those things, that's what they come here for, and they're extremely excited to be here on campus being able to do those things.